Alright, this is the AliExpress Tesla infotainment screen for the Bentley Continental. Ours is a 2016. This should have the harnesses for first gen and second gen in here. We'll do this. Cut that. They make several companies make one. They're usually like $1,500 to probably $3 or $4 grand, depending. Bentley makes a BIU, Bentley infotainment upgrade. It actually kind of mirrors the Bentayga, I think from like a 2020 something Bentayga, or the Gen 3, probably Continental. It's a much smaller screen, and it still gives you the buttons and whatnot for your climate control. This one is not going to be this case. This is going to be, everything's integrated into the screen. So let's see. So we have our piano black cover, plastic. I wouldn't expect it to be anything different. I guess the factory one is actual metal, but looks fairly good quality. That, and we've got a bunch of stuff here. We got give you some pry tools, brackets. I think this is for the first gen. I don't think ours needs it. We'll see. Got your harnesses. Got the CAN bus, so it integrates into the system. This is probably, this is the rear view camera. Probably going to wire that because the camera on this thing sucks. So we might wire this. We'll see. And then I don't know what this guy is. And then the actual unit itself. So that'll be, that's what we're working with. Looks like it's got the screen protector on there. That's decent. Okay. And then everything back here. So now all we got to do is take the old one out, put in a new one. Hopefully that's as easy as that. I don't know. We'll see. Nonetheless, I'll pack everything back up, and oh, you know what? Let's see what this was. The new, oh, for your, okay, cool. So we've got a camera for the, looks like for the front dash cam. We might mount that. Kind of cool. And that's it. And they emailed me the instructions, so this might have it in here too. No, this is just operating. Okay, I'll let you guys know. We'll get back into it, or get the car open and we'll start installing this thing. All right, we are going to start taking this all apart and trying to get the Tesla screen in with minimal cursing and minimal downtime. So we got our stuff right here. I don't think we're going to need it, honestly, to pop this off. I think it's just going to pop off. Yep, it just pops right out. Kinda. Oof. Yep. Alright. I'm gonna pause because I need to get a microfiber towel to put on here to protect everything. Be right back. We got some towels here, and I put it in neutral to give it some more room. I saw a video, people taped up the side, but honestly, I don't think it needs it. There it is. Too easy. It sounds like it broke, but I don't think it did. So we need to swing this up here and disconnect. That's gonna have to come out. I need a screwdriver. Assistant, can you get my screwdriver?
Where is it?
In the toolbox. I don't have a screwdriver in here. It's in the toolbox.
Your AC on.
Yeah, I know. I need to get this in here. And I need to see in there how to unplug that. Actually, that won't matter because once this comes off, it can stay right where it's at. It won't. Because this is going to ultimately go into the new one. Right there. Top drawer. A Phillips head. Actually, that's not. I was kidding. It's a Torx. It's a Torx. I'll have to get it. You're not going to be able to find it. Oh. All right, let's see. Yeah, this one's going to unplug. This has got to unplug. Honestly, I don't. Let's see where this is unplugging from. Oh. Sorry, my vision is so bad I can't really see up close anymore. That's not gonna work. I'll have to get it.
Oh.
I'll be right back. All right. I'm not going to use a USB or put a memory stick, and I think that's what this is for. Ultimately, I just want to have Apple CarPlay, and if we can get that without any other wiring, we're going to do that. This should be if we're going to wire or hook it up to Wi-Fi for our antenna or GPS. I guess I could just put that in here. You know, I might just put that on the back of the shit. Maybe right here. Right there. That's where it's going to live, right there. Yep. So we'll drop this right here. Bless you. That's over here. I will eventually secure that once I make sure everything fits. And then we will need that. And that's baby girl. I'll be right back.
He's recording.
Hello. Alright, we got everything going. The only thing we're missing is how to figure out how to get the AC actually functioning. And I'm plugged in. Maybe I'm missing a plug. Let me keep playing. I'll let you know. Okay, everything's done. It's plugged in. Everything's working. The only problem is Alibaba sent me the wrong shit. And this is for the Gen 1. So this actually doesn't fit in here. And the trim doesn't fit. And I had to modify this little piece to get it in. If y'all don't stop messing with me, you know what? My subscribers like hearing this shit. Other than that, everything works. You've got your here. Everything's working. Reverse camera works. And it does look, I mean, it's still shitty camera because it's a shitty camera, but it looks better. You can see it better on this screen. So, other than that, everything works. I'm going to have them send me the right thing and get this in there proper. All right.